For 1 year na. So thank you so much for the support.
We're so happy na kapunta kami today. Alam namin nagdadrama kayo. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For all the efforts. Tapos halos lahat ng, actually hindi halos lahat. Sa lahat ng malls, so nakikita namin kayo.
Super consistent sa lahat ng projects namin together, Janela. And kahit individual projects, talagang pinapakita niyo yung support niyo for us. Thank you.
Siyempre.
I wanna cry.
Si Perlo, umiiyak na siya, oh.